99. A cube is made from 27 identical unit cubes. The whole surface area is painted yellow, left to dry and then dismantled back into 27 small cubes. What is the ratio of the total surface area that is yellow to the total surface area that is unpainted? Let's think about what that cube would look like. And then let's think about the whole of the surface area being painted yellow. As you can see, on each of the larger faces of the cube, we have 9 faces altogether. There are 6 faces to the cube and each of them is made up of 9 smaller faces, so that's a total of 54 of these smaller faces. Now think about a single unit cube. A single unit cube, of course, has 6 faces, and we know that this larger cube comprises 27 of those identical unit cubes. So we can work out 6 multiplied by 27 to find the total number of faces of all of those unit cubes added together. 6 times 20 is 120. 6 multiplied by 7 is 42. If we add those two values together, we have 162. If I subtract the number of painted faces from the total number of faces of all of the cubes, then I'm left with 108, so these will represent the unpainted faces. It means that we have 54 painted faces to 108 unpainted faces. Just like fractions, we can cancel down ratios to show them in their lowest form. I know that 54 goes into 54 once and into 108 twice. It means then that the ratio here is 1 to 2. For each painted face, we have 2 unpainted faces. So the correct answer here was 1 to 2.